Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux Beta on your Chromebook. This is the only native path that lets you run an auto clicker reliably. Once done, open the terminal and update packages so dependencies match. Next, install essentials like wget, unzip, and xdotl. These let you download and simulate clicks. Make sure you allocate at least 5 GB to Linux, otherwise installs fail. This sets the environment. You are now ready to download and run a compatible auto clicker binary inside Linux. You now fetch a lightweight, trusted auto clicker for Linux using wget. Prefer a simple xdotl wrapper script for reliability. Once downloaded, unzip it, set executable permissions, and move it into /usr/local/bin so you can run it from anywhere. Then launch the script to record screen coordinates and set click intervals. Use whole numbers like 1000 for milliseconds. While configuring, test clicks on a Chrome tab running Roblox web and adjust timing. This is where accuracy matters most, so refine until consistent. You are at the finish line. Focus Chrome on the Roblox web tab, then run the clicker from the Linux terminal while Chrome remains the active window. If clicks do not register, make sure Linux apps are allowed to interact with input and that you are using the correct X display, often 0. Restart Chrome or Linux if necessary. Permission or display mismatches are the usual culprits. One key tip: re-record coordinates after any resolution or window position change to avoid missed clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.